Okay, now I have this packet out of order. We'll be doing this page second. We're going to do the back page first, okay? I want you to find, just like yesterday, I want you to multiply that out. Notice how the signs are the opposite on all these this time, though, okay? So I take 1x times 1x. There's two steps. 1x times negative 5. Positive 2 times 1x. And positive 2 times negative 5. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, so x second. 1 times negative 5 is negative 5 with x. 2 times 1 is 2 with x. And negative 10. So I go blank x squared plus blank x plus blank. And that's 1. Negative 3. And negative 10. Now you notice how that last one's negative this time because you're taking a positive times a negative. Okay. Yesterday they're all positives because we were always taking them, the signs were the same. Okay, next one. 1x times 1x. 1x times negative 7. 6 times 1x. And 6 times negative 7. So that's going to be 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. It's going to make negative 7 with x. That's going to make 6 with x. And that's going to make negative 42. So I've got 1x squared. I've got to add these two. It's going to make negative 1 and then negative 42. So I've got 1x times 1x. I've got 1x multiplied by 8. I've got negative 4 times 1x. And I've got negative 4 times 8. So that's 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. That's 8 with x. That's negative 4 with x. And that's negative 32. Draw out them blanks. So I've got 1. For x's, I've got 8 and negative 4. That makes 4. And I've got negative 32. Multiply first. Get rid of him. 11 times 1x and 11 times negative 4. So that equals 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Negative 4 with x. 11 with x. And negative 44. So done. Then blank x squared plus blank x plus blank. So x squared we got 1. For x, negative 4 plus 11 is 7. And then negative 44. Pause the video, go do 1 through 4, and then I'll show you how to go the opposite way and get from the here back to here. Pause it, go work. Okay, now you go to the first page, and we need to factor the trinomial. It's called a trinomial because there's 3 terms. You're going to hear me use that term a lot. It's 3 terms. A, B, C. This time I take A times C, but this time it's positive 1 and negative 24. Well, that gives me a negative product. And when I get a negative product, I'm not looking for a sum anymore. I'm looking for a difference. So put DIFF. And the difference has to equal 5. That means we have to subtract the 2 factors so that they give me an answer of 5. 24 minus 1 is 23. That's not 5. 24 divided by 2 is 12. 12 minus 2 ain't 5. 24 divided by 3 is 8. 8 minus 3 is 5. Bingo. Now we have minus 5, so minus 8. And on a difference, the signs cannot match. They have to be the opposite. So I make that one plus. So it's x plus 3 and x minus 8. It's just 1x squared, so it's xx. And let me show you how that shakes out. This is just me showing you that it works. So I take 1x times 1x, take 1x times negative 8, 3 times 1x, and 3 times negative 8. So it's 1, 1 plus 1 is 2. It's negative 8 with x, 3 with x, negative 24. Okay? And that's 1. Negative 8 plus 3 is negative 5, and negative 24. Notice how that matches what I have. It's a perfect match. Okay, next problem. A times C. 1 times negative 18. That's negative 18. Difference needs to equal 7. So 1 and 18. 2 and 9. There we go. 9 minus 2 is 7. Now you got plus 7. So put the plus on that number. And difference means the signs cannot match. They have to be the opposite. Okay? So x minus 2 and x plus 9. Okay, next one. A times C. Positive 1 times negative 60. Negative 60, difference of 4. 60 minus 1 isn't 4. 60 divided by 2 is 30. 30 minus 2 ain't 4. 60 divided by 3 is 20. That's not 4, it's 17. 60 divided by 4 is 15. That is 11, not 4. I'm getting closer to 4. 60 divided by 5 is 12. That's not 4. 60 divided by 6 is 10. Oh, bingo. 10 minus 6 is 4. So I have minus 4, so we put minus on 10. Difference means the signs have to be the opposite. They can't match. On a sum they match, on a difference they don't. So x plus 6 and x minus 10. Okay, last one. So 1 times negative 36. It's going to be negative 36, difference of 9. 1 and 36. 36 minus 1 ain't 9, folks. 36 divided by 2 is 18. That isn't 9 either. 36 divided by 3. What's 12 minus 3? I think it's 9. We have plus 9, so you got to have a bigger plus. That bigger number needs to be plus, because that's plus. And difference means they have to be opposite. So x minus 3, x plus 12.